सिक्किम बॉर्डर क्रॉस करके हमने एंटर कर लिया है वेस्ट बंगाल। दुनिया एक्सप्लोर करने की चाह हमें ले आई है दार्जिलिंग। Let's see what Darjeeling has for us. After a beautiful scenic drive, we checked into a hotel.
Namaste, Mama, and welcome to Hotel Silverstar.
Time for the room tour. That's a lovely boutique style room at Hotel Silver Star Darjeeling. Restroom with all necessary amenities. And the best part, a balcony with a view of Kanchenjunga. We sipped our refreshing welcome drink and walked out to explore Darjeeling ki galiyan. We chose Hotel Shangri-La among ample other places to dine out. Seems we made a good choice because the food was delicious. After resting the night, we left the hotel at 4:30 a.m. to catch the famous sunrise at Darjeeling. My, look at that shiny fireball. इससे ज़्यादा सुंदर कुछ हो सकता है भला? The golden rays of the sunrise made the mighty Kanchenjunga look more prettier, don't you think so? Yeah, unfortunately due to COVID, the toy train here was shut. Maybe for this reason I'll have bahana to visit Darjeeling again. Next on list was Batasia Lake, जो actually एक war memorial है and also an amazing viewpoint. ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम। सो सुबह 4:30 बजे जो हम निकले थे, 9:30 वी आर बैक एंड हैविंग दिस ब्रेकफास्ट। This one is my favorite. I love open zoos and Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park is something you shouldn't miss on. एनिमल्स को ऐसे ओपन जंगल में देखकर एक अलग ही खुशी मिलती है। इतने ज़्यादा क्यूट एंड अडोरेबल होते हैं ये, है ना? During our visit, there was this stupid family with us जो एनिमल्स को टीज कर रही थी एंड उन पे स्टोन्स भी फेंक रही थी। We immediately reported them to the security and then necessary actions were taken against them. Guys, it's not cool to tease or harass poor animals. If at all you see anyone doing it around you, please report them to the authority. Make some noise for the Royal Bengal tiger, guys. This cutie raccoon baby won my heart, man. He's so cute. पूर्वजों को प्रणाम। Meet your ex. धोखा मत खाना, चीता नहीं है ये। They are actually the wild cats. Up next is some adventure. Inside the zoo, they also have Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. बस यही तो खोज रही थी मैं, कुछ छोटा मोटा ही सही बट एडवेंचर हो जाए। Himalayan Mountaineering Institute was founded by India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, and it has an international reputation as thousands of people across the globe come here to get trained in mountaineering. Fun activities here like treetop rope course, movie theater and museum are for tourists like us, so we can know a bit more of mountaineering.
संभाल संभाल।
भैया आगरा जाके ताज नहीं देखा और दार्जिलिंग आके टी गार्डन में स्ट्रोल नहीं किया तो क्या किया? यस, वी आर हियर एट द टी गार्डन।
हाय फ्रेंड्स, चाय पी लो।
After that fun walk in the tea garden, we moved to the Peace Pagoda. Without disturbing the pre-wedding shoot, we sat there for a while and came back to Chow Rasta. बहुत कस के भूख लगी है and we are here at K Ventures to cook something delicious. So we ordered chicken burger with hot chocolate, the best combo ever. हमने लोकल मार्केट भी काफ़ी एक्सप्लोर करा। वी गॉट गुनरुक, चुरपी एंड सम इंस्टेंट स्पाइसी नूडल्स। Now let's go to Glenaries, the most hyped bakery in Darjeeling. This place is pretty happening and packed almost at every hour of the day. So look out for your cute corner. ये हमारी लास्ट नाइट है ट्रिप की और कल हम घर वापस जाने वाले हैं। प्लीज़ कोई टाइम रोक लो प्लीज़। हमने ग्लेनरीज में काफ़ी अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड करा एंड बैक पैक करने हम होटल रूम जल्दी चले गए बिकॉज यू नो अर्ली मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट्स।
फुरफुरा रहा है मुझे वापस जाना पड़ेगा। यानी अपना ट्रिप खत्म हो गया। बाय।
We took a flight to Mumbai from Bagdogra airport and in no time we were lost in clouds and our trip memories. My bestie's bachelorette trip to Sikkim and Darjeeling was just awesome. अगर आपने मेरा सिक्किम व्लॉग अब तक नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द लिंक अबाव एंड एक्सप्लोर मोर ऑफ इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया। Would like to thank eSikkim and Pradeep for arranging this wonderful trip for us. Guys, do check them out, mentioning them in the description. And सबसे important, thank you all for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, The Poo Factor on YouTube, and do follow me on Instagram. Take care everybody, much love, until next time, ciao!